I just have to pick up the carrots.
So what do you say we spend a little time in the garden today? All right, all right, all right. Got my good buddy Tata here with me, and we're gonna do some fermenting today. I really enjoyed experimenting with some fermented vegetables last year, and I want to make a point to try it again this year. Got some carrots here behind us. We're gonna pick a few carrots, get them washed off, and we're gonna give fermented carrots a try for the first time. You ready to do it?
Yeah.
So we got 4 different kinds of carrots here in these 2 double rows. We've got Envy, which I've already been pulling quite a few of, which is an orange carrot. We got Bolero, which is another orange. We've got a yellow carrot, Yellowstone or yellow bunch, and then we've got the purple elite down there on the end. Now let's see which one of these carrots is going to be best for our fermentation purposes today. All right, pull one of those carrots right there. Now you got to reach down there to the bottom and get it. There you go. Okay, hand daddy that one. Okay, let's go down here and get one of these. There you go. All right.
Let's get all of put in here.
Okay, let's put them in there.
Look like yummy and tasty.
So some of these ain't quite big enough yet. We can see some of those yellow carrots. Oh, they're getting there. Not quite big enough yet. Some of the purple ones are a little bigger, like we see right there. Like that purple carrot?
Yeah.
But I really want to do some orange ones at first here. And we got our Bolero and our Envy. And looks like, there you can see the Boleros right there. Looks like the Envy carrots are the biggest at this point. So I think that's the ones we want to go with. We're going to cut these up in little strips, as opposed to doing slices. We may try slices later, but we're going to cut these up in little strips and ferment them that way. So let's get a few more of these Envy carrots here, and then we'll get them washed up, be ready to do some fermenting. Put them in the basket.
I definitely strong. Yeah.
You got them?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, let's get some more of these Envy carrots here. Gotta shake them off. Those ain't real big. We might save those for some roast. See if we can find some bigger ones here. Shake it off. Shake the dirt off. You got to pant when you do that? Come on. Put them in the bucket. There we go. Think we need a few more?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get a few more. There's some good ones right there. That'll work. That's probably enough. We don't need a whole lot for this. Just a few.
Some more carrots.
You ready to go wash them off?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. All right, you ready? Let's dump them out right here. Let's just take the tops off of them first.
Why?
Because we ain't gonna ferment the tops.
Why?
You do that? You
Yeah.
snap the tops off? You can do it. You gotta be strong.
Yes.
You strong?
Yeah. Is that stronger enough?
You stronger enough?
Yes.
You like eating carrots?
Yes. Is it like eating carrots at home?
You like eating carrots at home?
Yes.
What about when we go camping? You like eating carrots when we go camping?
Yes.
What's your favorite color carrot?
Orange.
Oh, you like the orange ones the best?
Yes.
You don't like the purple ones?
I don't like a purple one and orange ones.
There's some big ones. Or kind of big ones.
There's some purple one right here.
Okay, get the purple one right there. Is that funny?
Yes. Another one right here.
Yeah, that one, I don't know about that one's shape. That one might not work out real good.
Why?
Let's throw that one on the ground. There you go.
What's this? What? Oh, this is working. Oh, let's see another purple one.
You saw another purple one? Where'd it go?
That purple one that looked like really good.
Oh, it didn't look like really good?
No.
Okay.
But then need a bigger tall one like.
Yeah. Well, they gotta grow some more.
Why?
They ain't quite as big as they're gonna get yet.
Why?
Well, just because it's been cold. Hasn't it been cold?
Yeah.
It's been cold, and so they haven't grown as fast as they normally grow. It's gonna warm up though.
How I'm ready to wash them.
You ready to wash them? All right, let's wash them.
They can't wet me.
No, I'm not gonna wet you. Let's wash them off. That looks clean enough to me. What do you think?
It's good.
That's good? Okay.
I'm gonna put all these carrots, wash them.
Okay, let's cut up these carrots.
Oh, yeah.
So we could slice these things, I reckon, but I'm gonna do them in little sticks. What do you think about that, Tata?
Good.
That's good. So we're gonna do them like this and like that. And this might work bigger if they was little. Might work better if they was a little bigger, more uniform. But we're gonna try it like this.
But I can't eat them.
Don't eat them all.
Why?
Well, we won't have nothing to put in the jars if you eat them all.
That's really good.
It is really good. One thing I read about doing this fermented carrots is that if you're buying store-bought carrots or carrots that have been harvested for a while, you probably want to take the skins off of them. But with fresh carrots like this, you really ain't got nothing to worry about. So we just rinse them off with the water hose and we're good to go. We're just going to make enough sticks here to fit in our jars. Let's see if we got enough for one jar here.
I can't do it.
You can do it.
I think.
Hold on, we got to put them in there a couple at a time.
Wow.
Whoa.
So maybe some in there.
Yeah, there we go. That looks pretty good right there. What you think? If we have bigger carrots, they'd go to the top of the jar, but that's going to be good enough. Here, I got an idea.
Where did you get that idea?
Let's just cut some of these in chunks and put them in here.
Where'd the purple one go?
I don't know where the purple one went.
I can't find it.
You ate it, you remember?
Yes. Why you make that?
Well, we're gonna try to season them up a little bit.
Why?
Now, if this was the warmer time of year, we'd have our own fresh dill, but we don't, so we had to go to the store and buy some. So in this one here, we're gonna do more dill type. We're gonna put a little garlic in there. See if we gotta smash it, Tata. Can you smash it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna smash it like that. Okay. That should be good for the one. So one of them we're gonna try some dill and garlic. Of course, we'll add our brine in there in a minute. Okay. And then this guy right here, we're gonna try some garlic and some red pepper. Let me go ahead and get the garlic in the bottom here. Okay, put it in there.
But you need some of these carrots.
We're gonna give it a little kick with these. Put a couple of these little red peppers in there. Supposed to leave a little room in there for the brine and all the ferment to do its thing. So we've got garlic peppers, garlic dill. Okay, now we gotta use our fermenting tools, Tata.
Yeah.
This is called a pickle packer. I don't know that we're gonna need it. This is pretty handy. You can do like this.
Yes.
You can pack stuff down in the jar like this right here. Nice and tight there. Also works good for smashing sauerkraut. So all this stuff right here comes in our complete fermentation kit, which I don't have the other side for. Yeah, we gotta use those.
Yeah.
We gotta use those. We gotta use these. These are called pickle pebbles, and that's what keeps all the vegetables submerged under the brine. So we just drop them in there. Two different sizes. We got some wide mouth ones and some regular mouth ones. We need the wide mouth ones for these jars. So we're gonna put our pebbles in there. Just like that. I think it goes this side. Can you help me make some brine?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, that should be enough water. So the recipe I saw, Tata, said that we need to put half a cup of salt, good pickling salt, per gallon of water. We got about half a gallon of water here, so we need about a quarter cup. That's probably about good right there.
Can dump it in there?
Dump it in there. Can you stir it up?
Yes.
Okay, go for it. Alright, now we're going to pour it in our jars here. Try to be careful. Got the liquid covering up the vegetables. And that weight is holding everything down so they can't float up. Now we got to use these right here, Tata.
Yes.
Yes. These are called pickle pipes.
Yes.
What color do you want to use?
This one.
The blue one? Okay, put the blue one on top. Set it just like that. See, it kind of suctions to it.
I don't put this one right here.
Okay. There you go. See, it's got this little holes in it right here so it can let air out but not let air in. And we could leave them like that, but let's put some lids on them just in case. Let's put a lid on this one too. All right, there we go, Tata, look at there. We made some fermented carrots.
Yeah.
How long do you think it'll take for them to be ready?
5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
I think it's going to take longer than that.
Yeah.
I think we should let them go for a couple weeks and then give them a try, see if they're good and tangy, and if not, we'll just let them keep going until they get good, crunchy, and tangy.
Yeah.
All right. We got our fermented carrots here. Just let those roll, and really interested in trying these. If any of you out there have ever tried fermenting carrots, let me know how it worked for you. And if there's other vegetables besides cabbage, obviously making sauerkraut, if there's other vegetables that you like to ferment, definitely let us know. Give us some good suggestions. Fermented foods are really, really good for you. Good taste, good flavor. Great way to preserve stuff. You know, once things are properly fermented, they usually store in the fridge 6 months to a year. So really, really excited about doing more fermenting with our vegetables fresh from the garden. What do you think, Tata?
Good.
That's good.
Yeah. I thought my little one stay right here.
Okay, your little one gonna stay right there?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll put a link below to our fermentation kit we used today, so you can go to our website and check out that, grab one of those. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and ring that bell so you get notified every time we come out with a new video. And if you did enjoy this one, check out these other 2 videos right here. I think you'll really enjoy those as well. We'll see you next time. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Uh-oh.